Hello friends, this videos are used to provide you the solutions of the assignments of NPTEL course The Joy of Computing Using Python. Now the contents of week 1 is available here, and the quiz for week 1 assignment is also available. So today in this video, we solve the week 1 assignments of the Joy of Computing using Python. This is the week 1 assignment, and the last date of the submission is 9th of August. So the first question is, what will be the value of my variable at the end of the loop? This is the Scratch program, and the correct option of this question is the option 2, that is 40. The second question is, which of the following is not a type of block in Scratch? That in Scratch, the correct answer is the last option, option 4, that is jump. Jump is not a type of block in Scratch. Third question is, what is the main function of the if block in Scratch? So the main function of the if block in Scratch is to control the flow of the program based on the condition. That correct answer is option 3. Next question is, which block in Scratch is used to control the movement of the sprite? That the correct option is option 1, motion block is used to control the movement of the sprite. Next question is question number 5, that here the Scratch code is there, and here we have to find out how many times the scooter will move forward. When we run this code in Scratch, that the scooter will run 5 times. So correct answer is last option 5. Which block in Scratch is used to make a sprite say something? So the looks block is used to make a sprite say something. The correct option is option 2. What is the purpose of the repeat block in Scratch? Next question is, what is the purpose of repeat block in Scratch? That repeat block is used to repeat a set of instruction a specific number of times. The correct option is option 1. Next question is, which block in Scratch is used to wait for a certain amount of time before continuing with the program? So the correct option is option 4, control. Control block in Scratch is used to wait for certain amount of time before continuing with the program. Next question is, which block in Scratch is used to detect when a sprite touches another sprite? So the correct option is last option, that is fourth option, sensing block in Scratch is used to detect when a sprite touches another sprite. Next question is, what is the purpose of the broadcast block in Scratch? That broadcast block is used to send a message to another sprite. So the correct option is option 1. So this is the correct options of week 1 assignment. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can provide the solutions of all the NPTEL week assignments of the Joy of Computing using Python. Thank you.